chemical, but we don't use this. We don't use it. I will show you one thing. You see this one? This one is the best. All you have to do, you just have to, you apply it like this. Apply it. I will show you the magic. So you start to scrub. You scrub. You scrub. Are you seeing the mud on the surface? You scrub. You scrub. Gently. Gently. Because when you apply chemical can hit the pipe to the deep surface. This one, you will see it to be bright. I will clean it, don't worry. Are you seeing it? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see it? Right? Look at that coming out. Can you look at it? Show it. Show it to them. You want to clean. Look for dates. Look for the DMA. I will tell you the name of this chemical that we are using. I will tell you the name. It's very active and effective. Write on the comment section, then I will tell you the name of the chemical you can use. It's not every time you're using chemical. When you use chemical, it will eat the cement. Before you know, after some, maybe 1 year, you will now be seeing the tire shaking. You don't know that it's the chemical that is eating it up. You see? Just imagine, wow, that's lovely, wow. But if you see you don't like it, but you apply more. Then you rub the surface again. Wow, fantastic. Are you seeing it? Lovely. That's good. Lovely. Look at the next box. Are you seeing the box? Are you seeing the surface? So bad. Why am I not using chemical? Because it will enter into this line and eat up the cement. After some time, the tile will start pulling. The best thing, use this. You apply it. This is called iron chemical. It's like a powder. You apply it, then you start to scrub it. You scrub, you see the magic. You will see the magic. You will see the magic. Please subscribe to our channel, share it so that others will see, so that you will now say it's chemical. You get chemical, you apply the chemical, before you know it, it's eat of the cement. Look at it, wow. Are you seeing it? Good. You see? That's what I'm saying. You see? That is beautiful. Then look at this. See? The rough mud, cement, so dirty. I'm going to apply it now so you guys can see the magic. I have everything. I have the normal chemical. This is normal chemical, but I prefer to use this because this chemical can enter the lines and eat up the cement. Before you know it, will start to shake. So I'm applying it now. This is iron sponge. You apply it. Then you scrub. This way is the local way to clean. If you have machine, you can also apply it to the floor and use your machine. This is the local way of cleaning. You will see it come out perfectly. removing. I see it removing. This is perfect way to wash your tie. Don't use chemical. Chemical will eat all the edges. For like 1 year, you see the tie start to shake because it's raw. That's it, that's it. Wow, lovely. Look at it, lovely. Lovely. Please like and comment, share, so that others will see. You can use this in your home. If you don't like the way they tie this, if it is so ties your bathroom, you want to wash the wall, same way, same method, you apply it. You see. So lovely, cool, wow. Wow, that's lovely. That's lovely, 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 lovely. You see? Lovely. I'm about to pour water so that you see it properly. So, I'm pouring it. Wow, I see it. Wow. 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 I see the floor. I see the floor.